Yeah, it's kind of productive to put things in front of a shelf like this, because now let's say there's a crate underneath, you want to take it out. You first have to move everything out the way. The better place to keep these jacks is maybe stick them up somewhere in the rafters, or because yeah, like this, it's just in the way. Okay, this is not a storage bench, this is a workbench. Do not store things on the workbench. There's tons of space in the rafters here to pack these things. Okay, so I need to go to site. I need 2 extension cables. I'm going to come up here, there's an extension cable, and I'm going to grab 2 extension cables. But when I get to site, I'm going to start unrolling this and realize this is not an extension cable. This is Norse cable. This is Norse cable, and there's no plug on it. This is not suitable for an extension. Anyone who uses this for extension is wasting, because this cable is not, it's made to be static. It's not an extension cable. So this cable, this is why we don't mix tools and materials. I keep saying this, do not mix. Do not mix. Let's make that a mantra, because now I could have gone to site with something that's not an extension cable, thinking it's an extension cable, and I'm not properly prepared for my job. Okay, let's say one day we get an inspection from a labor department official, right? And they come inspect. This is one thing they look for. You see, this plug is just fixed to the by the cable, by the wires. It's not clamping in there on the cable itself, on the rubber. So they actually will close your site down because of something like this. So this is why this is not acceptable. So we need to have once a month check all our extensions and our plugs and everything to make sure we don't have issues like this. Safety of our power tools. Okay, so this is kind of what's expected when you fit a plug. This rubber needs to catch in that clamp over there, so that it doesn't pull out. And if your plug clamp is broken, then rather just replace it. Don't just try and make a plan. We've got plugs here, we've got Januses, we've got all the for this very reason, so that we can operate safely.